Why should we choose semiconductor industry instead of IT or software industry? Hello guys and welcome to my channel. This is your friend part-time coder. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you like this video. First reason is job stability. You guys might have already heard of massive layoffs in software and IT industry, but the semiconductor industry have least layoffs in past 20 years, and there is always a scarcity of chips irrespective of economic conditions. So semiconductor industry is considered essential and hence less affected by recession. Second reason is high salary. I would like to tell you that the average salary of design or verification engineer is in range of 20 to 40 lakhs. And with specialized skills and experience, anyone can get even up to 70 to 80 lakhs package. Next is work from home flexibility. Similar to software or IT field, you can also work from home. This is also an important factor during COVID-19. Fourth is long-term growth. The semiconductor industry is expected to continue growing in coming years because of the increasing demand for technology products such as smartphones, IoT devices, and self-driving vehicles. Next is technological advancement. You will always be working on something new and interesting. That's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share.